Hello. Yes, I think all of you have come. So let us start with let us continue with the problems, okay? So,
Okay, ma'am.
yes, this board has to be taken.
Ma'am, somebody is there in waiting room.
Yes, Anthony Babu. Yeah, look at this. The minute hand of a circular clock is 15 centimeter long. The minute hand The minute hand of a circular the minute hand of a circular clock is 15 centimeter long. Is 15 centimeter long. How far does the tip? How far does the tip? Does the tip of the minute hand of the minute hand?
Ma'am, that exercise question.
Exercise question itself, but I'm not, that book is not with me. I'm giving you the questions. The minute hand of a circular clock is 15 centimeter long. How far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour? In 1 hour. Take pi as 3.14. Value of pi is 3.14. So, minute hand of a circular clock. Suppose this is the clock, circular clock, okay? So, minute hand, I'm drawing the minute hand is this. It is, you have to find how much distance does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour. 1 hour means it is full 60 degrees, isn't it? One full circle, right? So
360 degree.
360
Yes,
degrees,
360
360 degrees, isn't it?
60
That means
minutes.
60 minutes, 60 minutes. Okay. It is moving like this, one circle, it is moving. What does it cover? Is it area? Tip of the minute hand. Or
Perimeter.
Circumference.
Perimeter, circumference.
Circumference, isn't it? Tip of the minute hand means then only circumference comes. So what we have to find out? Circumference of that
Ma'am,
circle. Yes.
5,652 centimeter.
No, circumference of the circle you are getting like that. What is the length of the
Ma'am,
minute?
circumference 94.20.
Circumference. Yes. That's all.
Ma'am, 1 hour it moves 5,650.
No, 1 hour it is traveling only one circle. No. Only one circle, one time rounding, it is 94.2 centimeters. That's all. 1 hour
Ma'am,
means?
in 1 hour, 94.2
Yes,
centimeter.
yes. Gauri. 1 hour, one rotation only is covered, no? In 1 hour.
Oh, ma'am, minute hand. I thought it is second.
Okay, minute hand. Okay.
Okay,
So,
Okay, ma'am.
so 94.2 is correct. Just find out
Ma'am,
the
94.2.
yes, good. Circumference of the circle. Just find out the circumference of the circle. So circumference is equal to
94.20.
yeah, 2 pi r. 2 pi r.
2 pi
That is
r.
equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius. What is
Ma'am,
the radius?
3.14, right?
15. Yes. Okay, if you want, you take that 3.14.
And
Yeah.
so if it is given also, we can take
3.14.
anything. Ma'am, the question you
Same
gave
value,
3.4.
will be same. Value you will get same, but only difference will be, little difference will be there in the, a little difference will be there in the decimal numbers. That's
Oh,
all.
okay, ma'am.
Slight difference.
So we can take
You can
anything,
use,
right?
this will be more convenient. This will be more convenient. That's why it is given, use pi 3.14. Okay. So find out the answer. What is the answer you get? Answer is
94.20.
94.2.
94.20.
no, 20 centimeters. Okay, this is the answer. Now we are passing to something other than circles. Okay, we are again going back to the area and perimeter of the rectangles, area and perimeter of rectangle, square, etc. Problems related to it in a different way, practical problems, some real life problems. Okay, so we'll see that. Now circles, you understood now what is circumference, what is area and all. So now we are passing on to another type of problem where area of the rectangles are used more. Okay. Next one. Question is this: a rectangular park is 45-meter long. Once you get the idea, it is very easy. 45-meter long and 30-meter wide. A path 2.5 meter. A path 2.5 meter wide is constructed outside the park. Outside the park. Find the area of the park. Find the area of the paths. What is it? A rectangular park is 45-meter long and 30-meter wide. A park 2.5 meter wide is constructed outside the park. Find
Area, right?
area of the paths. Area. That is already given. Find the area of the paths.
Pi r square.
We have to see what
B
is
into
the
H.
into B.
what is the, you have to see
L into B.
the shape. Okay, L into B. But
Or rectangular. Yes,
wait,
L into B.
you have to find out something else, isn't it? Check. Listen. We should read and understand what is given first. Okay. A rectangular park is, okay, rectangular park we are drawing. A rectangular park is there.
1,350
45-meter long. 45-meter long.
meter
Okay.
square.
400
45.
centimeter square.
Yes.
400 centimeter square.
Yes, centimeter square, meter square, isn't it? Meter square, very good. So 45 meter long. Okay, I wrote long, it is 45 meter. We write 45 meter. Okay. Yeah. It is 45 meter. And what is the wide? Width means breadth, isn't it? So 30 meter. Now, what is asked? A path 2.5 meter wide is constructed outside the park. That means this is the path. It is 2.5 centimeter, a meter, 2.5 meter wide is constructed. That means the width of the park, width is 2.5 meter. Okay, so what is asked? We want to find the area of the paths. So what we have to do? I'll just color it, then it will be clear to you. I'll color it, it will look good.
45 into 30.
Yes.
1000
Okay. So what will you do?
1,350 meter.
What is the
meter square.
meter square? So
1000.
tell me what to do. What you tell me the concept. What to do?
L into B, 45 into 30.
Oh, wait 1 minute. Change the color.
Ma'am, you make it black itself.
Yeah. It is. I clicked it here. It became this one. Yeah. Now look, I have, see, I should do for finding the path, area of the path. What should I do? Tell me the concept. I don't want the final answer. I want to know the concept. What we have to do here actually. How
Area
will you get the difference? How will you get the area? That rose color, I have pink color, isn't it? Pink is the color.
Yes.
How I will find the area? What should I do?
45 plus 2
Ah, who is
plus
that?
2.5 into 30 plus
Yes,
2.
wait. I'm asking only the concept. What we have to do there to find
Ma'am,
the
area of
in
the
between.
bigger
That
area
I
of the
want.
bigger
Bigger,
space,
yeah,
bigger rectangle, and the area minus area of the smaller
isn't
rectangle.
it? So that is the first step which you have to write. Area of the path. Area of the path is equal to area of the bigger rectangle
Bigger rectangle minus
minus
area of the
area of
smaller
the smaller
rectangle.
rectangle. Area of the bigger rectangle minus area of the smaller rectangle. I think last year you have studied this.
No, ma'am.
No. Smaller rectangle. Okay. So for finding the area of the bigger rectangle, you see this is 45 meter. What is this? 2.5 meter, no? So this one, just I'll show you. Then after that we can, I'll rub this and write only the answer. 4.5 meter here. So length, I'm going to see what is the length of the bigger rectangle. What is this one? Length 2.5 meter here this side and 2.5 meter this side. It is from plus 45, right? This is the total length of, what is the length here? Total length here, it is, total length will be plus 2.5 in the left side and 2.5 on the right side. This distance, it is 2.5. And here also it is 2.5. So what is the total length of the this rectangle, total length of the bigger rectangle? 45 plus 2.5 plus 2.5, isn't it? Length. Can you see this color which I am using? Length
Yes, ma'am.
is equal to 45 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. That is what? 45 plus 5. 50 meter length of the bigger one. So what will be this one? Width of the bigger. Same way, isn't it? What is the
30 plus 2.5 in
30 plus
35.
0.5 on top and 2.5 down also, isn't it? Understood? 30
Yes, ma'am.
plus 2.5 on top. So 30 plus 2.5 on top plus 2.5 below.
Ma'am, so that only the width is given, right?
Width of the path
Length,
is given. Width of the paths.
length is not given, right?
Nothing is given of the paths. We have to find out. That is what? Width is 2.5 means everywhere the width is there. Okay.
Yes.
Everywhere the width is there. So 2.5 down and 2.5 here also will come. So breadth-wise also 5 is increased. Length-wise also 5 meter is increased. Isn't it? So what will be the breadth? It is 30 plus 5. So breadth is equal to 35. Breadth is equal to 30 plus 5. 35. Okay, 35 centimeters. Now we'll go back. So this is clear to you, no? You don't want the figure
Can you
here.
repeat it once more?
Huh?
Mama, I didn't understand that from that length.
Length. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. You can use this color. Okay. Listen, children. This is the inner. Did you understand the length and breadth of the inner rectangle is given? That is
answer is 400.
Yes, 400 meters square. So we have the inner rectangle's area. We have the inner rectangle's length and breadth. Okay. It is told that there is a path 2.5 meter wide around the rectangular park. That means everywhere this width, the 2.5, the path is there. Okay, everywhere. Okay, so here, so what will be the total length of this one? I'll use another color, red color I'll use, then it will be more visible to you. I'll change the color of the board, that is better, I think.
And total length of the bigger rectangle?
Yeah, bigger rectangle. What is the total length of the bigger rectangle? Okay, yes.
1750 meters square.
Yeah. Just see this now. I'll explain after closing this. Otherwise, it will take time. Okay. Look here, children. I have drawn a triangle. Sorry, a rectangle here. I have drawn a rectangle here. That is a rectangular park. Okay. Then in that, out through the around the rectangular park, there is a path running. There is a path running, which is 2.5 meter wide. That is in the question. The breadth of the rectangle and length of the rectangle is given already. What is given? That is given as it is
45 meter.
45 meter and 30
meter.
meter. Okay, length and breadth of the inner rectangle, that is that park is given. Now, what is the width of the path? It is 2.5. Width means everywhere the width is there. Okay, so what will be the length of the, so what we have to find the area of the path? Outer rectangle, area of the
Minus
outer
inner
rectangle minus area of the inner rectangle. So we are going to find the area of the outer rectangle. So what is the length of the outer rectangle? Length of outer rectangle, big rectangle.
50 meter.
Outer rectangle. Length of the outer rectangle, you see, this is given, this much is 45 meter. You know, opposite sides are equal anyway. 45 meter, this much. See this much. This much is 45 meter. Now, what is the length of this one? From here, it is 2.5 meter. Isn't it? Width is given 2.5 meter. And here also, from here to here, that is this portion, that is also 2.5. So, add all 45 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. What is that? That is equal to 45 plus 5. It is?
I'm in the two sides 2.5.
Both sides width is there, no? This 2.5, everywhere 2.5 is the width of the path. Everywhere width is 2.5.
Yes.
Everywhere the width through, around the rectangular part. So 50 meter is the length of the bigger rectangle. Same way, what is the breadth of the bigger rectangle? It is smaller
35.
rectangle is 30. So from here to here it is 30 meter. From this one, how much it is? This much?
35.
2.5 plus 2.5 on top and bottom. So 30 plus, breadth will be 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. So answer is 35 meter. So outer rectangles length is 45 meter and breadth is 35 meter. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now area, find out the area of outer rectangle.
1750 meters square.
Rectangle is equal to, what is area formula?
1750 meters square.
Area is
L into B,
length
L
into
into
breadth.
B.
That L into B.
L into B.
L into B.
50
So
into
35
35.
into, what is breadth? Okay, 50.
50.
35 into 50.
1750 meters square.
You will get 1750 meters square. Okay, so area of bigger rectangle you have found. Now what will be the area of the smaller rectangle? That is easy, it is given.
45 into 30,
Yeah, it is
1350 meters square.
Yes. So area of outer rectangle. area of outer, sorry, inner rectangle, inner one, inner part of inner rectangle. Inner rectangle is equal to how much?
45 into
45 into 30.
30 plus
1,300.
2.5 plus 2.5 is equal to 35.
40, yes, how much?
Yes.
30.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
35 into 50,
No,
no?
ma'am. 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 is
5. 2.5 plus 2.5 is 5, isn't it?
Yes.
yes.
5 plus 30, 35. That is it.
40 into 30.
Area is 45 into 30. Yes. What is the answer? 45 into
1350 meters square.
1350 meters square.
350
So
meters
then we have
square.
to subtract. Okay. Area of the
Path
path
is equal to 400 meters.
4.
Meters
area
square.
of the path. Area of the path is equal to
1,750 minus
1,750
1,300.
minus 1,350. So we'll be getting the answer
400
as
meters square.
400 meters
400
square.
Square.
meter square. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
400 meter square. This is the rule for finding the area of the paths. Any problem comes like this, you have to think and answer. Okay. Now, okay. Now we'll go for the next question. Other class students are entering. 2:15. What is the time for you? 140 to
220.
20 only. Okay. One more. We have to do some more problems. One more problem of the type, same type. Just try this. A path 5 meter. A path 5 meter wide runs along inside a square park offside 100 meter. Find the area of the paths. Also find the cost of cementing. Find the cost of cementing it at the rate of rupees 250 per 10 meter square. The path 5 meter wide runs along inside a square park of side 100 meter. Find the area of the path. Also find the cost of cementing it at the rate of rupees 250 per 10 meter square.
Ma'am, path area of path is 25. 25.
Ma'am, it's not there.
Ma'am, is there?
The path is 25 meters.
She didn't get.
Okay, can you,
Ma'am, area of the path is 25 meters.
area of the path is
25 meters.
Path is 25.
25 meter.
Ma'am, area of
No,
the 1900 meters square.
1900 meters square is the answer. You'll get area 1900 meters square. Area of the path is 1900 meters square. Try to do it yourself. Okay. Now you understood what is the concept, isn't it? How to do it. Draw the figure first, then do it. The figure is a square, okay? Not figure given is a square. The square. A square path 5 meter wide. So path is 5 meter wide. This distance is 5 meter. Left side and right side, you can add 5 meter. Bottom wise also 5 meter will be there. Isn't it? Here, here, here. Same way. Top and bottom 5 meter will come. First, it is 100 meter. The length is 100 meter. So 100 plus 5 plus 5. Here it is same thing 100. So here also 100 plus 5 plus 5. So you can find out the answer now. Area of the square park, it is 100 into 100. Isn't it? Area of the, yes.
Ma'am, 95 into 95 is the area of the path.
1 minute. What is asked? Is it outside or inside? Path 5 meter wide runs along inside a square park. Okay. It is inside. So you have to subtract. Children, you have to subtract, not addition here. Because it is running inside, no? Park is outside, right? So, yeah. See this figure? A path 5 meter wide runs along inside a square. Okay, so we have to subtract instead of adding. Previous problem, it was addition. So now we have to subtract. 100 minus 5 plus 5. Okay, that is what we have to do. It is not outside, it is inside. So total it is 100 here. 1 minute. Yes, total it is 100 meter and it is inside. The path is running inside. So what will be the figure? Figure is different. It will be like this. Outer circle, outer figure, it is 100 meter. See this outer path.
Ma'am, 975.
Final answer, I told you. What is the
Ma'am?
answer you are getting?
Ma'am, area is 1900 meters square, then cost is
Hmm.
47,500.
Yes, very good. Correct. Yes. So look here. This is the figure coming. Same thing. Outer it is 100. Okay. 100 into 100 will come.
Attendance.
Attendance I am taking 100 into 100. Then inner area also, what is it? Minus 5. Minus 5 plus 5. Okay. So what will be the width and length? Same. It is 90 into 90 will come. Right? So because it is square. So what is the area of outer rectangle? It is, outer square. It is 100 into 100 minus 90 into 90. Isn't it? 90 into 90. Area of path. That is the question. Find the area of the path. So area is equal to, what is this? It is minus 8,100. So you'll be getting answer as 1,900.
1,900.
1,900 meters square. What is the cost given? 250 rupees per 10 meters square. So how much per 1 meter square area? 250 for 10 meters square. So only
Ma'am, so
25
like the
rupees.
last question, we don't need to add 5 and all.
We have added 5 because the path was outside the figure, outside the rectangle. Now path here in this question,
Okay,
path is inside. Path is inside. Okay. So outer path is, this is given 100 total.
Ma'am,
Uh,
I wrote 100.
this is 100.
Plus
This is 100 now. Okay. And the width of the path is this inside. So we have to subtract from 100. This is 2 point. What is the
I subtracted 10 from 100.
10 from 100? Yes. That is it is given 5 meter, no? So 5 meter here and a 5 meter here. So you have to subtract to find this area of the smaller one, isn't it? That is here also 90, here also 90 you will get. So the answer, here you see 250 per 10 meter square. So for 1 meter square, how much?
We should find.
What? Find 10 meter square 250. So 1 meter square it is 250 by 10.
250 divided by 10.
So it is 25 rupees. 25 rupees,
25.
isn't it?
25 into
25 into
1,900.
Okay.
1,900.
Cost is equal to
Ma'am, otherwise we can do like this also, right?
47,500 is the cost.
190 into 2,000.
1,900 into
And sorry, 250.
250.
Like that
25.
also we can do.
25. 25 because rupees 250 per 10 meter square. So for 1 meter square area, it is 25 rupees. Select 250 by 10. So what is the answer? Final answer you are getting. That is
47,500.
47,000.
Calculate 47,500. Okay, rupees. Clear, children? Let me take attendance. It is, I think time is up. So all other students are entering. I have one more period today. So I'll take the attendance.
From the answer was